Hello friends, now you're watching Technology Genius and today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 in your PC or laptop. So let's begin. Now we are in Windows 10. As you can see, this is my Windows 10 professional version. So close it. Again I'm showing you, right click on this PC, click properties. This is my Windows 10. And finally close it and shut down your PC or laptop. I have a pen drive of Windows 11, so inject in your PC or laptop your pen drive. Windows pen drive. Again turn on your laptop or PC. Press F9, repeat and repeat. This is boot menu of HP. There are many type of boot menu of different type of brands like DELL F12, ASUS F12. I will give you boot menu in our description, so don't worry. I have a HP pen drive. Here is in second option. Select and press enter. This interface will come in your PC or laptop. We will have to no changes in this menu. So click on next step. In center, install now. Click install now. Setup is starting. Here if you have a Windows product key, enter your Windows product key. Otherwise click I don't have a product key. Okay. Here if do you want to install any version of Windows 11, select here. If do you want to install Windows 11 Education, if you want to install Windows 11 Pro, select here. I just want to install Windows 11 Home Single Language. I will select Windows 11 Home Single Language and click on next step. Here click I accept the Microsoft software license terms. Take out this and click on next step. In second option, custom, install Windows only advanced. Here first delete your MBs file. My C drive is 100.3 GB. Also delete it. Click OK. Now finally our C drive is 100.4 GB. My C drive has selected. Click on next step for install Windows 11. Here it will take a longer time. If your PC will faster, it will take a normal time. Don't worry, it will depend on your PC. So Now I am speeding up my video. Okay, so don't worry. Here it is about to finish. Here it will automatically restart, otherwise you can click on restart now. Here it will also take a 4 to 5 minutes. So don't worry. Just a moment. Here select your region where you are living. Now we are living in India. I will select India. Click on yes step. Here keyboard layout or input method. English India also select it. Click on yes step. Here second keyboard layout, click on escape here. Here you will have to connect your internet, otherwise it will not. So this is my Wi-Fi. I will connect it. Here you can see next step is showing blur. When I will connect our Wi-Fi, next step is will show properly. As you can see, next button is showing. Click on next step. checking for updates. Now again I have speed up my video, so don't worry. Follow me and do what I will do, okay? And don't worry. Here let's name your device. Skip for now. Click skip for now. Here it is necessary you will have to sign in your Microsoft account, otherwise you will have to create your Microsoft account. I just want to create Microsoft account. If you will not sign in or create, this process will not, your Windows will not open. So I just want to create, so I will keep here I just want to keep here. Click on next step. In password you will have to keep here any capital letter of alphabets and keep here any symbols, and if you want to keep here anything you can keep here. Here as you can see, A is a capital and @ is a symbol and a numeric. So finally our password has kept here. Click on next step. Here enter your first name and last name. Click on next step. Here again select your region. India is our region. Here select your date of birth. And click on next step. Now here my Microsoft account has been created. Here you will have to create a pin for open your Windows. It is necessary. Okay, let's create your pin. If you want to keep here any include letters and the symbol, take out this, otherwise keep here any number. I just want to keep here only number. I will keep here any number. You can see 824101. Again keep here same. I am showing you 824101. Click on OK. Here click on next step. Again click on next step. Click on accept step. Here let's customize your experience. Here you are using for which you are using for your laptop or PC for which purpose. Select here, otherwise click escape. Here click on next step. Checking for updates. Now again I have speed up our video. Don't worry, it will also take 2 or 3 minutes. Almost there. I mean almost here in my laptop. Windows 11 has been installed. So thanks for watching our videos. If you are new here, subscribe our channel and hit like button and give your suggestion in my comment box. And if you want to ask a question, comment in our comment box. So thank you for your love and support. Give your suggestion in our